Today I talk about Schneider OPC UA communicate with SCADA software Ignition. First, I create one program in the control expert. Its stop button is running. Then send two variables, go to the speed, the temperature. One is literally, one is real. We just demonstrate how to communication with Ignition by OPC UA. Okay. I build this project. I use simulation. Okay. Connect. Okay, it's running. So, if you want to communicate Schneider PLC, I have to use Schneider OPC UA software. Okay. Here is OPC UA software configuration. Create a new one. Okay, delete the old one. So, go to here, double click. In this one, we use TCP/IP 127.0.0.1. Okay. Okay. Here we should device is mark. Then go to security. Make sure here's allow. Allow is mark. Allow is mark. Okay. Okay, flash. Yeah, that's it. Then open OPC UA servers export. Here we can see it's working. Okay, we should copy this one. Then we go to Ignition. Then go to configure. First log in. Then go to OPC client, OPC connection. Go here, connect the new OPC connection. We choose OPC UA in here. Next, we copy this one. We come here. So endpoint is the address. Next, choose the first one. Next, in here, because we choose here, in here we choose security is none. Yeah, allows none. Okay, so we choose none. Third one. Okay. Next, trust the survey ticket. No. Finish. Now here we delete password. We don't need password. Okay. Create new. Here, look. EcoStruxure OPC UA service export collect. Then we go to OPC quick client. We can see here that means the service is good. Okay, test in here everything. So all the variable is come to the ignition. Okay, so we open design. Okay, this username, password. So create a new one. Test PCUA. Okay, create your project. Then we go to take a browser, go to device, browser device. We can find here is EcoStruxure OPC UA service export. We go to DA, go to test. Okay, we can all of that move to the right side. Okay, here you can see all is working, is good. Okay, then we create screen button. So okay, it's right wrong. Okay, and display we choose LED display. One alarm. Okay, first this start button. Start. Okay, then go to here, start, move to here, wait a minute. Okay, that's connection, start, look, stop. Stop. Okay, we stop. Okay, stop with connect. With light, we use run. Okay. Yeah, the run is connection. Circle, okay, with just the fill paint. Go to tag, choose run. Green. It's right. Okay, it's working. It's the temperature. This one speed. We use speed. Speed is 0.004. Okay, and this one is temperature. Okay, here 0.0. Okay, that's it. Now we go to project. We should use here come read and write. Mark here. Okay, now it's done. Save. Start the simulation. So we can see start. Look, here's running. Stop. Okay, start. So we can go to here. Simulator number. Title. Modification. Variable. We use 3, 4, 5. Okay, here is the 78.19. Okay, here look, 3, 4, 5, 78.19. Okay, that's it. Okay, today I just show you how to set up, communicate with the Schneider PLC with the Ignition by OPC UA. Okay, thank you very much.